Hi guys, welcome to Easy Maths Lessons, and today we are going to round to significant figures. Now the word significant means important, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. So we're going to round to the first or second or third most important digit in the entire number. Now I have got here for you the number 45,234. And on top of it, I have written first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It's because the 4 is the first most important digit in 45,000. The 5 is the second most important digit in 45,234. The third significant is this 2, so the 200. So the third most important digit in 45,234, and so on and so forth. Now, if I'm rounding to the first significant figure, or to one significant figure, it means I have to take the first digit and I'm going to round to that particular number. So in this case, to the nearest 10,000. But that's sometimes a bit hard to understand. So all I'm going to do is take the 4 and take the number that's next to it. In other words, I'm now going to read it as 45. Now 45, well, rounds to 50, doesn't it? So I'm going to write down 50. Everything else will now become 0. And there you have it. 45,234 rounded to one significant figure is 50,000. If I look at this number, 69,534, first most important digit is the 6, in other words 69,000. The second most important is the 9, so 69,534. For this one, I'm also going to round to one significant figure. Therefore, I'm taking the 6 and the 9 that's next to it. Now, 69 rounds to 70, and the rest becomes 0. Alright, but so much for the first significant figures. How about some second significant figures? I'm going to go back to my 45,234. And if I'm rounding to two significant figures, or the second significant, I am now going to look at the 5 and the 2 that's next to it. In other words, 52. So 52 rounds to 50. I can now just copy down the 4 that was in the front, write down the 50, and fill up the rest with zeros. Now I have rounded 45,234 to 45,000, which is to two significant figures. If I look at the second number we've had before, the 69,534, I'm going to round this to two significant figures as well. So this one says 95. Now 95 rounds to 100. I have a problem because if I write down 100, I only can fit in the two zeros. That means I have to add the extra 1 to the 6 from here to make it 700. And the rest will now become zeros. So to the second significant figure is 69,534 rounds to 70,000. Let's look at this one. These ones are decimals. Now the decimals in front, the zeros in front here, do not count. They are not important. So your first significant, your first most important digit will be the 5. The second will be the 3, and so on and so forth. So if I'm rounding this one to two significant figures, I'm going to look at the 34. 34 rounds to 30, so I can write down my 30 plus the 5 that's in front of it and my 0 point. But I do not write down extra zeros after the decimal point if I don't need it, and therefore I'm going to get rid of it. So to two significant figures, 0.53, done. Now it's your turn. Round to the significant figures indicated in brackets, pause it, have a go, and I'll be ready here for the answers when you are ready. Here goes. Did you get them right? Give us a thumbs up if you did. And well done for every single one that you have gotten right. Please follow me on Twitter at Easy Maths Lesson and on Facebook at Easy Maths Lessons. Like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.